Hong Kong, a city of contrasts. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our podcast. Today, we will talk about Hong Kong. Hong Kong is a special city located on the southern coast of China. It is famous for its tall skyscrapers, busy streets, and beautiful harbor. In this podcast, we will explore Hong Kong's history, culture, and the top 10 places to visit. Let's begin. History of Hong Kong. Hong Kong has a unique history. It was a small fishing village before it became a British colony in 1842. In the 19th century, Hong Kong grew into an important port and trade center. In 1997, the British handed Hong Kong back to China, and the city became a Special Administrative Region, SAR, of China. This means that Hong Kong has a high degree of autonomy and operates with its own laws and economy, separate from mainland China. Culture of Hong Kong. Hong Kong is a city where East meets West. The city has a unique mix of Chinese traditions and British influences. This can be seen in the architecture, food, and lifestyle. For example, you can find traditional Chinese temples next to modern shopping malls. The people of Hong Kong celebrate many festivals such as Chinese New Year, the Mid-Autumn Festival, and the Dragon Boat Festival. These festivals are full of color, food, and exciting activities. Hong Kong is also known for its food. Dim sum, wonton noodles, and roast duck are some of the most famous dishes. The city has many street food markets where you can try delicious snacks. Top 10 places to visit in Hong Kong. Now let's explore the top 10 places to visit in Hong Kong. First, Victoria Peak. Victoria Peak is the highest point in Hong Kong. It was opened to the public in 1888 and offers a stunning view of the city. You can take a tram to the top and enjoy the beautiful skyline and harbor. Second, Victoria Harbour. Victoria Harbour is one of the most famous harbors in the world. It has been an important trading port since 1841. Today, you can take a boat ride on the harbor to see the city from the water. At night, the skyline is illuminated, making it a popular spot for tourists. Third, Tiantan Buddha. The Tiantan Buddha, also known as the Big Buddha, is a giant statue located on Lantau Island. It was completed in 1993 and stands at 34 meters tall. It is one of the largest bronze Buddhas in the world. 4. Hong Kong Disneyland. Hong Kong Disneyland opened in 2005 and is a popular theme park for families. It is located on Lantau Island and offers a magical experience with Disney characters, rides, and shows. 5th, Temple Street Night Market. The Temple Street Night Market is one of the most famous street markets in Hong Kong. It started in the 1920s and is known for its food, clothes, and souvenirs. The market comes alive in the evening with street performers and food stalls. 6. Wong Tai Sin Temple. Wong Tai Sin Temple is one of the most important temples in Hong Kong. It was built in 1921 and is dedicated to Wong Tai Sin, the god of healing. People visit the temple to pray for good health and good fortune. 7. Hong Kong Museum of History. The Hong Kong Museum of History was opened in 1975. It has many interesting exhibits about Hong Kong's past, including its early history, the colonial period, and the cultural influences from China and Britain. 8. Lantau Island. Lantau Island is one of the largest islands in Hong Kong. It is home to the Tiantan Buddha, Hong Kong Disneyland, and beautiful hiking trails. It is a great place to enjoy nature and escape the busy city life. 9. Mong Kok. Mong Kok is one of the busiest neighborhoods in Hong Kong. It is famous for its markets, including the Ladies' Market, where you can buy clothes, accessories, and souvenirs. It is also known for its food stalls, where you can try local snacks. 10th, Hong Kong Zoological and Botanical Gardens. The Hong Kong Zoological and Botanical Gardens was opened in 1871. It is one of the oldest zoological and botanical gardens in the world. The gardens have a variety of plants and animals, and it is a peaceful place to visit in the city. Interesting facts about Hong Kong. Hong Kong is one of the world's most densely populated cities, with over 7 million people living in a small area. The city has a mix of languages. Most people speak Cantonese, but English is also widely spoken. Hong Kong is known for its impressive skyline, which includes some of the tallest buildings in the world. The city has one of the best public transportation systems, including buses, trams, and the MTR, Mass Transit Railway. Conclusion: Hong Kong is a city full of contrasts. It has a rich history, a unique culture, and amazing places to visit. Whether you enjoy exploring nature, shopping, or experiencing history, Hong Kong has something for everyone. Thank you for listening to our podcast. I hope you learned more about Hong Kong. Don't forget to share our podcast with your friends. See you next time.